Alright, this is my white check of my Sunday funday frame. Here's my Sunday funday frame in black magic 20.5. I also have the Odyssey director fork in black. Many people think this fork is bent, but it's not. With those it doesn't have those tab things on the front that most forks have, which makes it much stronger. I have the Odyssey headset. Shadow Conspiracy FL stem. I have the Sunday Triumph bars. Odyssey Mr. Clampy 2 seat post clamp. Shadow Conspiracy pivot seat post. Shadow Conspiracy slimmer seat in black and purple. I have Shadow Chain in black. Shadow Wheel Dirty Grips in purple. And lastly, I have the Shadow Metal Bar ends in purple. Check back in a few weeks for my complete bike finished. Alright.